Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is coconut turmeric rice or coconut curry rice. Yes, you're going to love every bit of it. This was used for buffet, and so we are going to share the recipe. Very simple, but before then, please subscribe if you have not yet done so. Like and share the video, click on the bell icon. Okay, so we are going to start by having onion in our oil. We'll stir fry it for some time, about 3 minutes, and I'm going to add curry powder to it. Yes, then I have turmeric powder also there. I'll add some to it, even though the curry powder has some amount of turmeric in it, but I just wanted to add more of the turmeric powder. Okay, then I'm going to cook 2.5 kg rice, which is equal to 5 cups of rice, and I mean the Ghana cup, the cup we usually use in measuring our rice and flour. Therefore, if you convert it to the foreign or the Western cup, it's going to be 10 cups. So this is 2.5 kg rice. So I just added some seasoning and salt to it. So just adjust the quantity to your preference, and we are going to stir fry this for about 5 minutes. Yes, please like and share this video, leave a comment as well. Okay, and so stir fry this for about 5 minutes, and then the next thing you're going to do is to add our coconut milk to it. So this coconut milk, I made it myself. Just blend your coconut and then strain the milk, and that is it. And so I didn't add everything at a go, no. So I'm going to add a little bit more, and then I'm going to cover this. Yes, and give it time for it to cook. So the water has dried, and because of the coconut milk, the nature has become like you are cooking jollof rice. So if you decide not to stir and you leave it on fire, you won't get the perfect result you want. Just like the way we cook jollof rice and we stir. Do you get it? So this one too, you stir. And most importantly, looking at the quantity that you are cooking. So I realized that it's very hard, so I decided to add more of the coconut milk to it. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to cover this with my parchment paper. Yes, and then give it time for it to cook. Lower the fire, and then use the vapor to cook very well, to take its time to cook. So let's check it on it again, and we are stirring it. Yes, please share this video for me, leave a comment, and click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay. So stir, make sure that the heat will spread very well. So I'm just sprinkling a little bit of water on it because I felt it's still hard. It's a bit hard. I wanted it a bit soft. Okay, so finally it's ready. Yes, at this point the texture is okay. It is not too hard, it is not too soft. I'm going to add green peas or garden peas to it. Yes, so I just drained the water from the garden peas, and I'm using 2 cans. Add everything, stir it together, and I'll cover with a cling film for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that will be okay. Do you get it? Please like and share this video, leave a comment for me. Thanks so much for watching my videos. Thanks for sharing as well. Okay, so finally it's ready, and we can serve this. This was delicious. I tell you, the people really enjoy this rice. So as I said, this was a buffet, so the people enjoyed it, so you can give it a try. So this is it. We served this, not just the turmeric or curry rice, but also we had other rice recipes that we shared as part of the buffet. Do you get it? So something like the jollof rice, wache, and I have the videos there, so you can check it out and then watch it, and you're going to love the jollof rice recipe as well. Do you get all the recipes? You love them. And we have some salad here, two different types of salad. One is Ghana salad and the other is um pumpkin and potato salad. And so this is how you see our jollof rice. Go and watch the recipe, you will love it. And this is wache. I have wache recipe also on the channel. And this is our almighty turmeric rice with some garden peas, and then we added fried plantain kelewele, and this is our Ghana salad. You see, looking all delicious. Yes, and the taste was awesome. And so you can give it a try. Okay, give the recipe a try and you are going to love it. Like and share this video if you have not done so, and then please leave a comment as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.